Hey y'all, Sean in town here. So I want to have a gig talk with y'all. All right. So I know a lot of people have been hitting me up, asking me to get back to the gigs and so forth. But I said it in a past video. Before I get into the gig talk, I said it in a past video. I said, I don't really see myself talking about apps 5, 10 years from now. I'm in a space of evolving. Everybody evolves, y'all. You are not going to be in the same position. Well, I should say this. You don't want to be in the same position that you are right now 5, 10 years from now. You got to evolve in life, and so I've been doing, different things, and I've been feeling out, everything that's going on with my channel. And, something hit me because I was thinking about it, and that's to do some gig talks and see how you liking it, and still pretty much stay a little bit close, but not too far. You know what I mean? So talk about everything in general, but at the same time, talk a little bit more about gigs, because we're in a time when I'm looking at 40,000, UPS workers being laid off, and earlier this year, 20,000 got laid. That's 60,000 within the space of 6 months of people being laid off from UPS. And a lot of those people are going to be looking for different places to go to pretty much make money. And guess where they're going to come? They're going to jump in the gig space, and other people, not just UPS, but other companies that's laying off people like crazy. Amazon is set to lay off over 600,000. 600,000, y'all, workers within over the next few years, being replaced by robots, AI, artificial intelligence. And where are those people going to go? Because a lot of those workers, they're going to come right over into the gig space because it's easy money. You could pretty much handle your time or manage your time a little bit better. You don't have to clock in every time. You don't have to run to meet the hour on the clock. You don't have to punch out for lunch. Nobody's telling you when to go on vacation and all that, and when to go home, and all that stuff. And I think people are tired of that. People are 100% tired of that. I got tired of that. I stopped clocking in. I stopped the 9 to 5. And that's the reason why a lot of you are out there doing gigs, doing independent contracting work, because you're tired of the 9 to 5. You don't want to be that person that's out there, punching in. You don't want to be that person that the manager is saying, come into the office because I need to speak to you. You want to be that person that own your own business and pretty much, just work on your own schedule, your own time. You have time, you could plan for your families, your friends, and all that good stuff. And pretty much, just get a lot more done. So that's what I'm saying is, like, you got to really, figure out, is this gig space going to be legit within the next 1, 2, 3, 4 years, knowing that a lot of people are going to be coming into the space, outside of UPS, outside of Amazon, outside of FedEx, outside of Walmart, and outside of different, companies that's actually going into the direction of AI operated or AI ran, warehouses or distribution centers. They're going to come into the gig space, y'all. I'm telling you that 100%. And a lot of y'all know that. So what should you do at this particular point to pretty much, stay ahead of the game? It may sound random, but that's what you got to do. You got to stack up on chips. We're in November right now, right? And as you know, this is high season. It's high season all the way till the first week of January. Now, I didn't say January 1st, but I said the first week of January because there's a lot of events that's going to be still taking place. Because it's the first week, there's a lot of social events. There's a lot of soirees. It's the first week. People are celebrating, the new year still. And people are having little get-togethers and so forth. So within that first week, after that first week, I should say, everything slows down. Everything is going to slow down until, based on what I've been seeing, based on experiences over the years, until I would say the second week of February, which is actually Valentine's week. So this is where you got to start thinking about the things that you have access to right now and how hard it's going to be within the next 2, 3, 4 years to have those same access to create revenue. When you think about the job market, the unstableness of the job market, people getting laid off, and even people, white collar jobs, people are getting laid off. And these are the things that you got to think about. many people are going to come and crowd the gig space. So you have to take advantage of it right now. And I'm going to say this, maximize your earnings within this season, y'all. This holiday season, get the bag. Stop lounging around the house. Stop going out there 12 o'clock in the day, 1 o'clock in the day saying, oh, I'm going to get on the road now. And then you're coming back 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. You got to start hitting this thing from early morning, lunch hours, evening hours, nighttime if you can. If you have the time, do it. If you're a single male, you don't have a girlfriend, you don't have a wife, you don't have any kids, and you could be out there, go ahead and get it. For the single woman, you ain't got a husband, you single, you ain't got no kids or whatnot. Even if you got kids you got to find a way to get the bag in this season. This season is high season. You cannot sleep on this season. This holiday season in 2025 is going to be the last great season for the gig economy. Have you seen now AI have been spiraling out of control? Everywhere you go, people talking about AI. Big companies transitioning to AI, robotics. Small companies transitioning to AI, robotics. The only reason why you don't hear about these smaller companies is because they're not Fortune 500 companies like those big multi-billion-dollar revenue, companies that's out there like Amazon and Walmart and, UPS, FedEx and all of that. Look, the signs of the times is right in front of us. And it's either you're going to reap the benefits of it or you're just going to fall behind and fall to the wayside. Don't let this money season pass you. Take advantage of it. Make as much money as you can and save as much as you can. Look, if you like this type of content, drop your comments down below. Let me know whether you're feeling it or not. If you have some suggestions, I would love to hear from y'all because y'all are my subscribers. Now, don't go back to saying, man, we need apps. It's not going to happen. I still want to cover certain areas of the gig space. So I would love to hear back from you. All right. So, hey, until next time, God bless. Peace.